Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to Yubo's Elite Pack features. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Yubo does a great job at confusing its users and making the most money out of them. Anywhere on the app, when you touch something, it will show you some sort of payment window for you to pay and be able to do your action, which is the most inefficient way and very expensive. So what you want to do is to get a pack in the Yubo app, and the best and most efficient one among them is the Elite Pack. To get access to Yubo's Elite Pack features, start by opening the Yubo app and heading to your profile. From there, look for your perks section under your profile picture. Now you can buy any of these 3 packs, and you can also tap on see all perks on any of them to see what perk they will grant you. So do your research. The best one here is the Elite Pack, so I'm gonna tap on the upgrade button on it. Now tap on unlock. And here it's gonna ask you to pay with your card, which is your personal payment system. And once you pay for it, you're gonna get the desired features. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.